In this short video, let's learn how to use a stud finder. That way, you'll know where to securely put screws and nails in a wall. My stud finder is about 20 years old, but I still use it quite often. And I'll list a couple of current models in the description so it's easy for you to find. To start, place the stud finder flat on the wall and press the power button. Then slide it across the surface. Here, when a solid red LED at the top is lit up, I know there's a stud below the surface. There should also be an audible tone, but on this tool it no longer works since it's so old. But once I find the stud, I'll mark the edges with painter's tape so I can visually see where the edges are. In my garage, I've hung lots of stuff, and the stud finder was a necessary tool to help with all of that. And here's something you need to know. If I happen to start on a stud, I'll get an error message when I slide away from it. In this case, it's 2 blinking lights, which means I started on a dense solid area, then moved to a hollow cavity. Stud finders detect a change in depth, which is why you start on the hollow part of the wall. So on this large wall, I can easily find the studs for mounting shelves. I now know where I can attach them securely right into the wood studs. And whether you're hanging a picture, curtain rod, or something else, a stud finder is the tool you're going to need for pre-planning. Otherwise, you're going to drill through a hollow part of the drywall that can't support weight. Every stud finder is basically going to work in a similar way. And in my opinion, you don't need an expensive stud finder to do what I just showed you in this video. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.